Joe Beermaster of a 99 Corolla. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to change the side light. This lens broke out. It's very common for these cars. I ordered a new one, so the first thing you want to do is open the hood, take that screw out on the top. I'm going to show you the new one. You can see it's only got that one screw there, and then there's little slides here, so it slides in. See that slide right there? It's sort of like pressure. So we're going to try to work it out. Just loosen it up. This one's been in here for years, so and it does pop out. Like I said, this little slide holds it in. That little slide holds it in there, right in there, in that hole. And then we're going to disconnect the bulb. We can unscrew the bulb or press this and then pull. It's hard to do with one hand. So we pulled it off. You can see the other end. I'm trying to do this all with the one hand. Now we're going to plug it in. Plug that into there. We don't want to drop it, that's for sure. This only goes in one way. Sorry about the shakiness. We're doing this on the fly. Turn it the other way. That's it. Push it in. Just gotta line it up. Alright, you want to make sure it clicks. We have it pushed in. We're going to make sure the light goes on before we finish the assembly. Yes, it does. So now I'm going to put it back the reverse way, slide that in there. And a little trick is getting this up over the light. There's also a little slide here. You can see this little front slide right here has got to slide in there. So you got to make it all happen at once. There you go. It's in. Now we're going to put the top screw in again. Gonna line it up. That's it. It's good to do it with two hands, but I got one on the camera. Or get somebody to help. Hold that there. Screw it in. If everything looks good, you're done. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Take care.